Hello guys, in this video we are going to be making a GIF animation using the shortcut video editor. So this GIF is about an COVID inspirational GIF, and you will be getting these files link in the description from your drive. So here are the audio files and the GIFs. As you must see the thumbnail of the video, that should be free assets. So you can download them in the description. So let's start it. So here's the preview of the GIF. Yeah, so this is the preview of the GIF, and let's get straight into the video. So now we are gonna press File, New, and yes, the new project should look like this. So now let's start dragging in our GIFs. So drag the COVID-19 GIF over here, and then people scared GIF file over here. So make sure they are just near to each other. So if they are far, the screen looks blank as per the distance of them. As per the distance of them, when you play the animation, the screen looks blank, and then the next GIF plays. So why we are making the GIF very near and close to each other. So let's drag in our idea GIF. So as you can see, our idea here is like when you play the GIF. So drag it near. Yeah. So now play the GIF. As you can see, it's playing, and the idea here looks like an image, and then the GIF plays. So to fix this, what are we going to do? Just move it far, a little bit far from the other image, from the other GIF, and drag this line to the starting of this idea GIF, and then make sure to move them a bit small where the GIF starts, like here. So if you move them very slowly like this, you can see the GIF starts from this point. So make sure the line is at that point, and then you can just minimize the other part like that. Make sure that the minimized part is colliding with the line, and then drag it back with the closest file. So next, let's drag our mask GIF, press cancel, and then let's go here next. So let's finally drag in our boom GIF. So just make them close. So now let's play. Drag this line to the starting like that, and play the GIF, and this is the result. So now everything is working perfect, and our boom GIF is a bit driving crazy. So, and before the boom GIF, let's add our COVID GIF again like that. So yeah, now then let's make them close. So we had the same problem with the idea over here. So same problems have same solution. So now let's do the same. So let's drag this line to the point where the GIF starts. So the GIF starts from this point over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag this to the line and make them at the same point, and then I'm going to drag this GIF here near to the COVID GIF, to the closest. So now this is the result. Yeah, so now let's start adding our audio. So to do that, we are going to press the three options over here, and then let's go to track options, say add audio track and click on it, and make sure to lock the track here because it won't that affect the files above. So lock the track, and yeah, let's get into the audio files. So now go to the folder and drag the evil COVID laugh audio down over here. It should look like this, and gotta just minimize it till this end. As you can see, this black line over here where this GIF ends, and just drag the audio file to the black line as they will be like matching, and it will end at the time when, and it will also end when the COVID GIF ends. So it's the logic. So now make sure to move it till that, and now let's add our people screaming sound over here and just add it like that. So make them close as we did, and then as you can see it's very huge, so you can minimize it till the end of the GIF. So this black line, this starting line to this line is the end. So let's drag it to the end line as we did the same for the COVID laugh here, and then let's drag in our idea. So idea, and we don't need to minimize it, so this works perfectly at the timing of the GIF. So now we just need to drag the evil cloud laugh again, evil COVID laugh again, and then make it here and make it on the end of the GIF. Next, let's add our boom sound effect, and just drag it over here. That's all, we are done. So just make them close a bit, and you gotta go to the end by scrolling. As you can see, the boom sound effects is very large, so don't worry, you can just minimize it. And also when you're dragging this, you might hear a sound. Don't worry, that sound is the boom laugh sound, so don't need to worry. So now if you play the GIF now, so let's add the vaccine GIF, which is over here, to the COVID, middle of the COVID and the people wearing masks. So let's add the, just you gotta drag these both away, and got to drag this GIF in here. So make them close a bit and make everything close. So there we go, and our GIF is done. So let's play it. Yeah. So now let's drag this boom effect a bit over here, I guess, and then if you play it, I guess it's good. So yeah, now our GIF is perfect. We can save it. So now we can, let's play it a more time. You can see there we go. So we did the GIF and the GIF is done. So to save this GIF, you're gonna go into File, Save As, or you can do it like this. You can go to the export settings over here, and you can also save as a GIF animation directly, but there won't be no audio available, so you can save it as a default, which is an MP4 type. It will be saved as a video, and press like export file and name the file. I'm gonna name it GIF anim and save it. As you can see here, it's going to be running. It's like it's exporting the file, so you gotta wait until that exports. So now it's exported. What I'm going to do is going into your file manager or something. You can go into the folder where it is exported. So here you can see my unnamed here. As I saved it as GIF anim. You can double click on it as it's going to open and it's going to play. Yeah, so as you say, we successfully did our GIF. So I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share if you like this. Thank you.